Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add another account on Snapchat. Snapchat is a popular social media platform that allows users to share photos, videos, and messages with their friends and followers. If you have multiple Snapchat accounts, you may want to use them on the same phone without having to log out and log in repeatedly. Here's step-by-step guide on how you can add two Snapchat accounts on one phone. The first step is to make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your phone. Go to your App Store and check for updates. Open the Snapchat app and log into your first account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. In the profile menu, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Scroll down to the I Need Help section and tap on Log Out. Once you've logged out, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account using a different email address or phone number. Once you've created your second account, log into it using your credentials. You can switch between your two accounts by tapping on your profile icon and then tapping on the account you want to use. With both of your Snapchat accounts added to your phone, you can now use them simultaneously. You can switch between accounts by tapping on your profile icon and selecting the account you want to use. Both accounts will have access to your phone's camera and microphone, so you can take photos and videos from either account. It's important to note that Snapchat only allows users to add up to two accounts on a single device. If you need to add more accounts, you'll need to log out and log in with a different account. And that's all. Currently, having more than one account on social media platform is important. Firstly, if you have a business, you can separate your business and personal activities by having a business and a personal account. Secondly, having two accounts acts as a hedge account hackers and bans. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.